Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And hello, colleagues. I know y'all tired. I rise today in opposition of House Bill 4397. Colleagues, the bill before us does not solve our auto insurance problem. While I have only recently joined this body, I have seen this type of red herring proposal before. Slashing benefits is not a guarantee of rate reductions. So I'm going to throw this away. I'm going to tell you what I've experienced. And I want you to experience what I experience, or what I have experienced. Not 10, not 20, 30, 40, I'm talking decades. Decades of redlining. What does redlining look like? Most of you in this room don't have a clue. I love you, but you don't have a clue. You don't know how it feels to receive an insurance bill that is larger than your car insurance. You don't know what it feels like to have to worry about what kind of car you're going to get, because if you get a certain kind of car in a certain kind of neighborhood, in a certain type of zip code, that you have to worry about paying $500, $600, $700, $800, not a year, not 6 months, but a month, every month. I'm telling you, I'm going to say this. Some will not like what I'm about to say, but I'm going to tell you that until we address redlining, not fluff redlining, but real redlining, and what it does to our communities. You see, because if it happens to me, let's say I'm white. If it happens to white Cynthia A. Johnson, it could also happen to you. You don't want to be in my position, and I get it. I get it. Your constituents aren't crazy. I get it. They don't want to be here where I am paying $800 a month while they're paying $100 a month. And let's say, for instance, that both of us, I'm here and you're there, or your constituents are there, and we both decide to purchase the unlimited auto insurance. Well, in purchasing that unlimited auto insurance under this particular bill, we'll save 10%. We'll both save 10%. Okay, let me do that again. We'll both save 10% until we have equity. Because we have not had equality for decades. I want you to know where I am, who I am. Be where I am right now for a minute. Think about that. In my community, so many things are coming at us. High insurance, bad food, bad water, high homeowners insurance, bad schools. This is not a joke. This is not a Republican thing. This is not a Democratic thing. This should not be a white thing or a black thing. I need you. And believe it or not, you need me. Until you, my white brothers and sisters, until we stand up as a people and be real honest about what's happening in cities like Detroit, we're always going to be fighting like this. This situation is real. House Bill 4397. I get it. Some of your constituents, they don't want this to happen. Because, of course, if this happens, theirs goes up and ours go down. Please, don't just consider yourselves. Consider all of us. We're in this together. I hope you consider being the honest people that I know you are. Be right. Don't be mean spirits, because you're better than that. I love this chamber. I love you all. I just want us to do the right thing for people. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.